Yo, what's up, guys? Dave here. SI. Just wanted to finish up this solder job with y'all here. Now, some people do it. I'm weird. I just wanted to show y'all my method is a lot different than most people. Cause see, they hold the solder and do all that. I don't do that. I put the solder on my helping hand and hold. I get a little bit on my tip, see there? And then put it over here. Now sometimes you gotta move it. Sometimes I'll do it like this. I should have fluxed. I need to flux. Yeah. One of the issues is the flux. You just need a little dab on it, wherever you're soldering to. There we go. And I'm gonna use some on my tip of the solder iron here. So yeah, boom. That's all man needs, really. Oops, let's see. Did not mean to do that. See here? Boom. Now, we just put this over here like this. Make sure you know which one's negative and which one's positive. That's all she wrote, guys. Boom. As you can see, not touching anything else. Boom. Alright, now we're going to desolder this one. Desolder in another positive wire. Okay. Oops. Got a little something there. Clean that off. Okay. Now let's desolder it. I changed tips from earlier because it was giving me a hard time. There we go, boom. Now, I just take, and that's a little too long for my liking. Just take and shorten it up just a smidge, and boom. Now we'll come back over here. Let's twist it first. Okay, now. Shit. There we have it, guys. Boom. Now let's see if this thing is going to work. Got the speaker to it right there. Got the little deal here. And the way we do it is like this. Take it out. This goes here, just like so. On one of these, let's see. And it will tell you where everything belongs. Right there belongs the auxiliary or the charge port. See there? Boom. Now we take and hold on here. Hold on. Make sure there's no through. How do we get that through there? Okay, I see. I see. Well, I should have soldered it the other way, but okay. That's the way we'll do it then. We'll just disconnect it right here. That was stupid of me. Okay, so we'll put this back the way it goes, which is like this. Okay. There we go. Oh. Okay, we're gonna have to desolder that first. Okay, not the one to the board. That one was harder. So we're gonna take, desolder it right here first. Okay, no problem. Ow. So we'll take and shit. Do it like this. Got the magnet pulling my soldering iron to the thing. To it. It sucks, let me tell you. Oh, I turned it off. I guess that's why. Yeah, get in the habit, guys, of turning your soldering iron right off, because it will mess your tips up. You don't want to leave it on for an ongoing period of time, you know. Because I turn mine way up. I like mine really hot. I like it to melt as soon as I fucking touch it to it, you know. God bless. I'm just gonna do it like this. Well, actually, you know what I'm gonna do? This way I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it like this. Screw it. Then I'm gonna come back in here. I'm gonna line this up first, like so. Because trust me, it wants the... You have to put your wires through the thing like this first. Yeah, there we go. Oops, sorry. There we go. Now she's working. So then once it's through there, you can do whatever the hell you want to with it. And I'll show you how we get that back out on there here in a moment. Like so. See there? Boom. I love it. Heck yeah. And I'll come back to that. Let's see now. There's that part. See? There's the speaker end. I'm gonna find the screws, but you get the gist. The other part's easy, guys. Alright, hit us up. SI, Dave here, out.